People, welcome back to the channel. This is Talk Truth News Media. Now, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Holness, tables job description for parliamentarians. Now, Prime Minister Holness has tabled the House of Representatives a green paper, a ministry paper containing job descriptions for members of Parliament and ministers of government, respectively. The move follows the recent massive hikes in salaries for parliamentarians. Holness goes on to say the job descriptions set out the strategic objectives of the post, its purpose, reporting and accountability, the key deliverables and responsibilities areas, performance and standards, competencies, context and the working conditions. Now people, I will let you listen a clip from the Honorable Holness, your government of Jamaica, telling you what this job description entails, and then we'll come back and have a reason about that.
My government is committed to the highest standards of governance for this country. Good governance includes the conduct and performance of our ministers, our members of parliament, the members of the civil service and the broader public service. The country must have a clear sense of what is required for parliamentarians and ministers. Madam Speaker, I am tabling today job descriptions for members of parliament, and this is being tabled as a green paper. And for ministers, we are tabling their job descriptions, and this is being tabled as a white paper. So the white paper, Madam Speaker, is already determined. It is now government policy. The green paper, the committee to be established will have the opportunity to review, make amendments, and to finalize. These will set out strategic objectives of the post, its purpose, reporting and accountability, the key deliverables and responsibility areas, performance standards, competencies, contacts, and the working conditions. In proposing a job description, we are not suggesting anything new or outside our laws and constitution. Few people have a full appreciation of what the appointment requires or the election to be a member of parliament requires. It is hoped that this job description will help members of the public better appreciate and understand the roles and responsibilities of ministers and members of parliament.
Now people, you heard everything that the government has said. I thought it was the job description that determines the salary, not a salary hike. It just amazes me that after all these many decades and 60 years of independence, and our governments and members of the political class had no clue what their roles and purpose was. We elect them based on promises, pay them our hard-earned money, and they had no sense of purpose. Amazing, just amazing. At first, the Prime Minister said he won't roll back the salary increase. No, people, just remember that he had said that. What this government is doing, he's just trying to comfort the fools that he thinks the ordinary Jamaicans are. No, my people, never have I seen people getting paid and then you tell them to work. This government is a circus, and the gag is we are all the clowns. Without a vision, the people perish, Mr. Prime Minister. If the parliamentarians don't have up-to-date job descriptions, how do you know that they are working effectively for the citizens of the country? Why you just decided to give them and yourself a massive pay hike? For what? Make it make sense for the citizens of Jamaica. I hope a performance evaluation report will be done annually as well. Those underperforming parliamentarians can go home. Why is it that the job description come after the raise? Follow me people, why? So if they are not doing their job, what are you going to do? Demote them to wash the cars. Simple. Sweep the parking lot. MP are elected officials by the people. People vote regardless of how good or bad they work. Yes. Now people, my final say in this, what I suggest, Mr. Prime Minister, you should roll back that ridiculous salary hikes. Jacka say the world level, and it is so true. Viewers, remember to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notification bell so when I upload new videos you'll be notified.